Welcome everybody to our channel, Patwa Tex Evridai. Patwa our language, and we feel good for share one more text with you from the Bible. Today text come from 1 Corinthians 5 verse 11 and Luke 20 verse 22. When Jesus and his disciples them did not have the Passover meal, Jesus used wine for symbolizing blood where did go be shed for mankind's sin. Make we hear what the Bible say about it.
I see him, so when them done yam, him take up the cup and say,
"That wine here the new promise where God make with me blood where I go pour out for you now."
Wine our farmer alcohol, and Jesus and his disciples them drink alcohol. The question is drinking alcohol a sin? In my opinion, not at all. But we still have one next scripture to examine. We are going to look upon where 1 Corinthians 5 verse 11 say about it.
When we did write we did a talk about people who said them believe in a God. No have nothing to do with nobody who said them a God pick me, but I take part in all kind of sex sin. No have nothing to do with them. If them wanty, thief other people sitting them, worship false God, tell lie or drink too much. Not even eat with them people there.
You hear that? The last part of the verse say, no have nothing to do with people who drink too much. Drinking alcohol is not a sin, but drinking too much, when you drink and get drunk, that is a sin. So people, drinking and getting drunk is a sin. Think about this. Where is a text that teach me about God? Oh, me can use it in my life. Or me can use it help other people. One way we can use it help other people is to share it with them so them can live how God tell them to live. This is how me think. God really love we, and when we serve him, it make him happy. So we must read him word every day and think about it hard, then share it with people. And just remember say, when you wanna take spar, it make the devil turn far. But what touch we are to move we, happy know much love we, you alone can make we feel. The humble joy we reach. Say, if I never be your son, where come there?